Ngesokuthi kwakhona isikole seyinkwezeli eThekwini esakhiwe omagoqa besenzela umhla ka-30. Isikole sasingena ngo-9 ekuseni abebefikele ethi babethola 1-1 esinqeni 9-1-1. Kwakufundwa nasebusuku ingakho kwakukhona ama-fly by night. I-Crazy Bitches eyayipheka ukudla ifaka ama-spicy chick anyonyoba ama-Team Poison ifuna ukufaka ushevu. So kubamba after school siyi-TLC yayigoloza undefeated izenza ama-GOC. I-Chivas lalilova lushaya uPotsho mase sifuna ukuhamba nalo lithi wrong 10.
A place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't hide, girl. You all just gotta know. We can party through the night. With you here, I surely am alright. I know you like it. So baby, don't be shy, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soul cafe. Everybody, it comes in your body. It's not just a party. This is a soul cafe. Let go of your worries. I'm in your body. Let you see your heart.
Zanda Bezos. Akhona amabhuletha u-30 mengidubule manje uyafa ngolwesihlanu. Zokudubula. Zanda Bezos.
Anti-cheeky lesha noise.
Wena mfana zokudubula ngempela nguMantshingelane ngiphethe isibhamu zokudubula.
Over and above, I can prove it, baby. Grown enough to know now what you really want, why and how.
Ngeme uQueen lalifundisa isingisi lafika i-aunt wathi uphuma wathi ngumagoqa ngezongibuze lutho mina. I-top dog lifundisa isiZulu. Eklasini ngihlala neStona fam. Yaqala iperiod yasibuza isaka. Inkomo ingazala yaphendula iGhetto Slave, inkomo ingazali Wolfgang. Ezama umagoqa zazidlela ucheese nama-TCP maphuma isport. Ayishuba njalo Friday namalakhwini ehall. Kwafika uthisha uRed Bull wasibuza ukuthi sifuna ukushaya iteam noma sifuna ukube anthem soul. I-absolute i-anti chicks, absolute chicks. Lawa ama-chicks aseklasini. Asifundi mhla 29 sikhepha eklasini lenjovakazi. Walisicapha uloni 110. Principal uzenza isigwili ngoba ejolwa nekara waQueen. Sambamba futhi asikole ecela ulift kuma-rich gang. Ayi, wasengiphuza ibhodlela nama-absolute queens. Ngayibhala itest ngikhohlwe ukubhala uviyo omkhulu ama-vintage queen. Uthisha wemathi small mafia. Wathi solve for X exclusive positive sounds. Friday sobe sibudla sihleli nama-ghetto babes. Asinandaba no-babes soduma. Vele waqhamuka nalo thisha we-geography. Biza ngi-Italian queen. Monday eklasini ngangiphethe ibhodlela lama-Russian. Ngibuza uthisha wathi yona mfana Afroholic noma alcoholic. Awusporishile ngani isicathulo na Venon. Uzohamba ufunda le kwelinye side esiside. Unco queen, rude queen, ghetto queen. Lawa ama-top cat aseklasini. La ngena isuit candy queen leli-stick suit sabit. Wabuza uthisha ukuthi umalini not rude slaves. Le test ye-FM yami uzobhala u-dedicated fam ngaphandle. Uzokwazi ukubhala ula unique le test elandelayo ngizomusa eLondon nama-top London. Wena uthisha omkhulu njalo la esikoleni ngiyakubuza uba usikhotheni la esikoleni.
Ama-native sir.
Yaqala iperiod ye-life science. Uthisha ulebele ibhizi sibuza ngey'mpande zedolobha. Akabuzi ngani ama-urban roots. NgoLwesihlanu ngiyalova ngiya-onisa la shit team lama-TDC. Sengikhathele itepeni Lacoste lava idoje.